Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be designing a game. This game is similar to those games that are usually on those old phones, and it's called the bounce game. So it's bouncing off ball just to make sure that the ball doesn't go off screen. Once it goes off screen, then you lose the game. So what we did is firstly we import the Pygame, which is a model for creating games like this. So we initialize the Pygame. We created the screen dimension. We see that 600 by 400, which is the width and the height. We named the name of the game Bounce Game. We designed the colors for the pedal color, the ball color, the background color, white, black, and things like that. We set up the ball, the radius of the ball, and things like that was done here. The paddle setup also where the ball will be bouncing on. This is how we set it up, the width 100, the height 10 and stuff like that. We set up the front color, then we set up the score area which will be telling us the score. Once it bounces on that paddle, it's going to increase your score by 1, which was written in the code below. The game loop, you know, the game loop for running the game while the game is running to keep the game running. So that's why the game loop is there, and also to uh, it limits the 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 clock speed to 60 frames per second. So the clock tick to 50 frames per second, and then we further move this particular area is to move the pedal left or right using the arrow key. Left, then you see the right areas, and also to move the ball, like to update the ball's position at every instance. So if it's the reverse direction, when it hits left, right, or top of the wall, it's going to update the ball's position. And also, we continue, if the ball goes below the pedal, the game will be over. So if the ball hits the pedal, it's going to add increase your score by 1. That's what you did there. So if the ball meets the pedal, the game will be over. And so that's what basically is called. Then this one draws the ball and pedal, on and score on the screen frame. So this is the ball, and this one will appear on the screen frame. And this is when the game will end. If the ball misses the pedal, and it's game over, so the game is going to end. As I said, the code will be available in the comment section of this video. So let's run the game and play a little bit of the game. It's quite interesting. I designed it to keep me a little bit busy when I'm bored. So you can also just run the code. You can also modify the code to your taste, to enjoy the game. So let's run the code and play the game. Yes, so this is the game. Now, yes, it's making sense. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I missed that. I need to run it again. Let's run it again this time around. I need to get a very good score. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, so I got 8 points. Okay, so that's all for the game. You can run it again to play the game and to enjoy the game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support me by liking the video, also commenting. Let me know what your thoughts are about the code, and if you want to modify the code, what do you want to modify it to add to this particular game to make it more interesting. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.